Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports vented hood scoop for Polaris 2024 Plus XPEDITION, and it is available in black and carbon fiber. Install time for this item is around 60 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of intermediate. You will need the following tools for this project, so gather the tools needed and let's get to the install. Step 1. Remove the factory hood. Begin by carefully removing the grille to gain access to the front of the vehicle. Once the grille is out of the way, locate the two retaining straps positioned beneath the hood. Pull both of them down to release the center hood section and then lift up to remove it. Step 2. Apply the hood scoop templates. Inside the box, you will find 3 template pieces, each clearly labeled for the driver and passenger sides. Start by positioning the center template, taping it securely in place while making sure it follows the natural body lines of the hood. Next, move on to the side templates. Begin by aligning the lower portion of the template with the body lines of the hood to ensure proper placement. Once the bottom is lined up, work your way up and align the top portion with the upper body lines. After everything is properly positioned, secure the template with tape. With one side complete, repeat the same process on the opposite side. For reference, there should be 12 inches of space between the two outer templates at the top to ensure proper positioning. Step 3. Drill the hood scoop bracket mounting holes. With all templates properly positioned and secured, you can now begin drilling the mounting holes for the hood brackets. Using a drill with a 3/16 drill bit, carefully drill through each of the marked holes on the templates. Take your time to ensure each hole is straight and properly aligned for a clean, accurate fit. Step 4. Attach the hood scoop brackets. Start by attaching the side brackets to the factory hood using the provided M5 hardware. At this stage, only hand tighten the hardware to allow for adjustment later. Once both brackets are installed on one side, repeat the same process on the opposite side. The center bracket is secured using 2 bolts. With the bracket and bolts in place, install a provided washer and nut onto each bolt, then thread them on by hand to hold everything in position. Now for the final brackets, attach the lower front brackets to the hood, making sure the slimmer portion of each bracket is positioned closest to the edge of the hood. This ensures proper fitment and alignment. With all the hardware installed and hand-tightened, you can now go back through and begin securing everything. Using a drive ratchet with an 8mm socket, along with a drill and 3mm hex bit, tighten down the hardware. Be careful not to over-tighten at this stage, as you may still need to make slight adjustments to properly align the brackets with the hood. Step 5. Attach the hood scoop to the factory hood. Start by hand threading all the M5 hardware, making sure to include the provided washer with each bolt. You may need to apply gentle pressure to the hood and hood scoop to properly align the holes in the scoop with the mounting holes on the brackets. The hood is designed for a tight fit, so a snug alignment with no gaps is normal. Once all the hardware is hand-threaded, use a drill with a 3mm hex bit to securely fasten everything. With the hood scoop now attached to the brackets, you can move on to drilling the final 3 holes through the hood scoop and into the factory hood. Use the same 3/16 drill bit for this step. After drilling the 3 holes, finish by attaching the hardware for each mounting point. Each hole requires a bolt, 2 washers, and a nut to complete the installation. Lastly, secure the hardware with the drive ratchet and 8mm socket and a drill with a 3mm hex bit. Step 6. Reinstall the hood and grille on the vehicle. With the hood scoop installed, carefully reposition the factory center hood onto the vehicle and secure it using the 2 retaining straps. Once the hood is properly in place, reattach the grille. With that, the installation is complete. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the Dirt with DRT.